Monire Mosa, Tampokelani. My name is Loren Masia Mponera. On this channel, Chitumbuka na Loreni, I support you to learn Chitumbuka language. So thank you for being here and thank you for choosing to learn my language. It's exciting and I'm excited for you. So today is 13th of February 2026. It's day number 19 since we started making the videos. Where my goal is to make 90 videos in 90 days, one video every single day. So if you haven't watched the 18 of them, please just continue watching and yeah, hope you learn something and that one day when you meet a Malawian, you'll be a little bit, throwing in some phrases and words and sentences and things like that so that yeah, to practice your language. All right. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Okay, so in this video will be a little quick because I have a train to catch. So I'll be real quick. World means charo. World, charu, charu. So you'd say charu chapasi. Charu chapasi means earth, but at the same time, if you're talking about the world, you can still say charu chapasi. Okay. Sky, kuchanya, or mlengalenga. Tatawa kuchanya, it means you are telling someone, look up in the sky. Tatawa, look. Heaven is also kuchanya, but heaven is kuchanya kwa chuuta. When you're praying, you're talking about the heaven, my God in heaven, you talk about kuchanya kwa chuuta. Okay, natural, vya kulengeka. Kulengeka means made. So natural is like vya kulengeka. It's not something that someone has created. So these, it's like these were made. You didn't make it. They were made. Yeah, it's natural. Vya kulengeka. So trees, makuni. Um, Clouds, mawingu, plural, bingu, singular. Vegetation, vya kumera. Air, mphepo, umphepo. Mwaunu kwazizima, kuli mphepo, meaning today is very cold. There is wind or air. So yeah, mphepo is air or wind. Lakes, zinyanja, plural, nyanja, singular. Nyanja ya Malawi, Lake Malawi. We have a big lake in Malawi called Lake Malawi, freshwater body. And this is why I love fish. Fish is my number one. Why? Because I grew up eating fish for breakfast. Eating fish for breakfast, fish for lunch, fish for supper, and all of that. All right, storm. Mpepo ya mwera. Mwera. Because there's a silent U here, but yeah. So, mwera. Mponera. Mpepo. Mpepo ya mkuntho. We can also say that, but it's more of a Ngoni type of word, mkuntho, but we still use that. So you need to know that. If you hear about, hey, namachero, tomorrow there will be mpepo ya mkuntho, you know that tomorrow there is a storm. Yayeye amanyumba, mpepo yayeye amanyumba. Kuyeye amanyumba means they've swept the houses. So nyumba is houses. Kuyeya kare, like sweeping or something like that. So the storm usually it carries houses very, very easily. And yeah, but nowadays the storms, especially water kind of storm, carries cars. I've seen cars all the time swimming, even recently. Erosion, kukokoroka. So yeah, garimoto za kukoroka when the cars have been carried. That's why I'm saying garimoto is car. So car um, has been swept. Kukokoroka, erosion. But yeah, so in this case, I'm referring to kukokoroka as in when the rain is too much. The rain is too much, and um, therefore you have water everywhere. Everything is being swept by water. So that type of causing an erosion. So as a result of the erosion, we have gares, right? We call it chibwagara. There is, yeah, because the soil has been swept away and it has left this hollow place. Chibwagara or kwao gullies. When the soil is dirty and wet and it's slippery, we call it matipa. Hey, apal matipa, meaning, oh, there's dirty there. Come this way. Mwendele uko. Mm? Come this way. Mwendele uko. To avoid matipa. There's dirty from the soil. This is not dirty. When someone is dirty, you can't say anamatipa, unless if he's dead from the soil, then you use matipa, but otherwise, this is different type of dirt. Slippery, kuteremuka. Pendera uko chamuteremukeng, you will sleep. It's the place is slippery, so yeah, okay. So I'll stop share because, as I said, this is a short video. This is the end of the small video. I just wanted to tap into natural world, but also at the same time, not natural as in spiritual type of thing, but yeah, here and there. So I'll see you again tomorrow on the 14th of February. Oh, tomorrow is Valentine. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and please continue to watch these videos, and of course, give this video a thumbs up to improve with the algorithms, and also subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Ye utaonga, taruta, zuwali weme. I'm rushing for the train. This is why also my teaching today was a bit shaky because I'm thinking I only have 30 minutes, so I have to go now. All right. Bye. Bye. Taonga, ye taruta.